Hello, student of Oxford Model Convent, TP Nagar. Myself Ikrar Ahmed, your maths teacher in a class 7. Today's topic is that the area related to triangles, parallelogram, and the rhombus, which is based on this particular form of the triangles. And first of all, you have to know about the triangle. The triangle is a three-sided closed figure bounded by the three sides, three angles, and three vertices. First off, we have to discuss the area of triangle is 1 by 2 base like this, and this is your height, base into height. This is the area of the triangle 1 by 2 base into height, and here is the base is given BC and the perpendicular height is AD, and this becomes 2 unit square. And if you want to perimeter of this of triangle, means sum of all sides of the triangle. This gives the perimeter of that particular triangle. Now we have to discuss how to calculate the area of triangle ABC. Then here the base is given 8 centimeter and the particular height is given 6 centimeter. Then you will collect the area of a triangle. Then area of a triangle ABC is 1 by 2 base is and height. So 1 by 2 base is given 8 centimeter and the height is 6 centimeter. Then you have to multiply it on it, then you will get 24 centimeter. This is your answer of that particular question. Now we have to discuss another form of parallelogram. The parallelogram is that the pair of opposite sides are equal. It is a form of the quadrilateral. यानी इसमें क्या होता है, अपोजिट साइड पैरेलल के साथ साथ क्या होती है बेटा, इक्वल होती है. तो इसमें बेटा क्या करते हैं, ये इसकी परपेंडिकुलर हाइट AP and DP is perpendicular on AB. Then we calculate the area of parallelogram. This is the form of the parallelogram. Now the area of the parallelogram is given. Area of the parallelogram ABCD is base into height. Base is given AB and height is given DP. Then you will get unit square. This is the area of the parallelogram. If here the parallelogram ABCD, the height is 6 centimeter and the base is 10 centimeter, then the area of parallelogram is equals to base into height. Base is 10 and height is 6. Then you will get 60 centimeter square. Clear beta? Now we have to last form is rhombus. What is the rhombus? Rhombus is just like a square, but it is not a square because all sides are equal and diagonal are always bisect to each other at right angle. मीन्स क्या है रोम्बस में क्या होता है all sides are equal in length and diagonal are always bisect at right angled. Then area of the rhombus, क्योंकि इसके डायगोनल्स क्या होते हैं बेटा डिफरेंट होते हैं. ये है डायगोनल D1 और इसका डायगोनल है D2. देन एरिया ऑफ द rhombus इज 1/2 प्रोडक्ट ऑफ डायगोनल. This is the area of the rhombus to have to calculate of that particular question. Okay, if you have in doubts in any type of question related to this, you have to ask on WhatsApp group as well as my personal number. The exercise 15.3, 15.2 you have to learn on these particular questions, and I have to give the related question of that particular topic. And so many questions you have to ask on the WhatsApp. You have to explain of that in your group. Now you have to leave now.